In this video, I'll show you how to use statuses and priority levels on ClickUp. Statuses and priority levels help you organize tasks, track progress, and understand what needs attention first. Statuses show where a task is in your workflow, while priority levels show how important or urgent the task is. First, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. Go to the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. In a basic setup, you may see statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Complete. These statuses help you quickly understand whether work has not started, is currently being handled, or is already finished. To change a task status, open a task and click the status field, then choose the correct status from the list. You can also change statuses directly from List View or Board View by dragging a task into a different column. If you want to customize statuses, open the settings for your space, folder, or list. Look for the status settings, then add, rename, reorder, or remove statuses based on your workflow. For example, a content team might use statuses like ideas, writing, editing, approved, and published. Next, use priority levels to decide which tasks matter most. Open a task and click the priority field. ClickUp usually includes levels such as urgent, high, normal, and low. Use urgent for tasks that need immediate attention, high for important tasks, normal for regular work, and low for tasks that can wait. A good practice is to use statuses and priorities together. For example, a task marked In Progress and Urgent should probably be handled before a task marked To Do and Low. You can also filter, sort, and group tasks by status or priority. This helps you focus on the most important work and keep your project organized. Using statuses and priority levels correctly makes your ClickUp workspace clearer, easier to manage, and more useful for both personal and team productivity. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.